Hello everyone, this is Professor J. Kim. Today we're going to make really simple draggable carousel image gallery like this. So there are three images, and when I drag it, see, it is rotating and replacing the main image area. So just like that. Okay, this is a pretty simple process, so I'll just follow my instruction and we're gonna make it. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button, and set the alarm for my latest video. Then let's get started. Okay, so first please download the image from the link I provided. There are three supercar images like this, three cards. And then open Adobe XD. We're gonna create a new document. So choose the web 1920 by 1080 pixels. Okay, so that is this. So first, choose the rectangle tool, and then the color really doesn't matter. I'm gonna draw one rectangle in the middle, and then the size is gonna be 1000 pixel by 600 pixel. Okay, and let me locate it in the center. Okay, and then let me make a copy. Hold down the Option key and drag it. And then on this one, I'm going to resize it. 700 by 400. So the big one is 1000 by 600, and the small one is 700 by 400. So place it here. I'm going to make a copy to the right. Okay, let me zoom out. And then please open your three images you downloaded. So supercar number one, drag and drop to the first rectangle, second one to the middle, and the third one, just like this. And then select those two, other two, these two. And then hold down the Control key and click, or right click, send to back. Okay, my artboard number one is done. Now select your artboard, click on this Web 1921, and then hold down the Option, keep pressing and drag to the right. So we have a copy of that. So next sequence is gonna be this image is supposed to go to the right, and this one goes to the left, and this one goes to the center. And we just need to resize it. So this one is supposed to be 1000 by 600 in the middle, and that one 700 by 400, and place it there, and this one goes there. Okay, so sequence number two is done. So let me zoom out. I'm gonna select the sequence number two, artboard number two, hold down the Option and drag to the right. So this is sequence number three. Same thing. This image is supposed to go to the right there, and that goes to the left, and this orange car goes to the center. And I'm going to resize it. 1000 pixel by 600 pixel. And let me place it center. And that one 700 by 400. And just to set the position like that, and you go there. Okay, and just make sure selected those two, the on the left and on the right, and hold on the Control, click, send to back. Oh, I'm sorry, send to back. I will do the same thing. I think I missed this one on my second artboard. The two images, left and the right, hold on the Control, click, and send to back. Okay, now we're gonna need to link it. So go to Prototype, select the first blue car in the middle. You see that the blue tab, drag it to the second artboard, and the trigger is gonna be drag. And then choose the middle image. On my second artboard, click on this blue tab, drag it to the right, and drag it. And this last one, supposed to go back to the very first page, and trigger is a drag. So let's take a look. Play. Looks good. Looks good. And looks good. Yeah, so it is working. So this is that simple. Maybe sometimes you may see that the image doesn't go to the back. So if the order is not correct, just select the image and then send to back. Then you should be fine, just like that. Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and you can use it for your future project. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.